G'day folks, Will Lee from Yamaha here, and today we're out on the water testing two CJ models, the 3.5 Nomad high side and the 3.7 Nomad high side. Matched up to these boats, we've got the 9.9 horsepower and 15 horsepower Yamaha 4-strokes. Unlike a 2-stroke, one of the things I really loved this morning when we went to the fuel station, there was no having to pre-mix the oil and the fuel. It was simply put some fuel in that fuel tank and off we went. As far as acceleration went, these things have got plenty of grunt out of the hull and plenty at top end as well. You'll see some of that overlay data to prove it. What I suggest, get down to your local CJ Yamaha dealer, find out what specials are on today and check them out.